are you doing? What's this rubbish?
What's this rubbish, he says. That there is the secret to our success.
It's a wrench giving it to you, believe me.
But we've decided your needs are greater than ours. George, if you will.
I solemnly swear that I am up to no good.
Ready, Fred? Ready, George.
Box him, sir.
He's not Fred, I am. Honestly, woman, you call yourself our mother. I'm only joking. I am Fred.
You know, George, I've always felt our futures lay outside the world of academic achievement.
Fred? I've been thinking exactly the same thing.
I'm sure we're all going to be very good friends.
That's likely.
How much for this?
5 galleons.
How much for me?
5 galleons.
I'm your brother.
10 galleons.
Mischief managed.